How to use Veeva Systems Review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Veeva Systems is a leading cloud platform for the life sciences industry, but beginners often make mistakes that reduce productivity and efficiency. Here's my honest review and tips for using Veeva properly. Most people get this wrong. They assume every feature is intuitive. The surprising truth is that Veeva has specialized modules for QM, content management, and regulatory compliance. Understanding which module to use is critical. Another common mistake is neglecting data integrity. Entering incomplete or inaccurate data can disrupt workflows and reporting. Always double-check entries and follow company guidelines. Many users also overlook training resources. Veeva offers tutorials and support documentation, which are essential for mastering advanced functions and avoiding errors. Finally, beginners often fail to manage user permissions properly. Assigning incorrect access levels can compromise sensitive information or workflow efficiency. In conclusion, using Veeva Systems properly requires understanding module functions, maintaining accurate data, utilizing training resources, and managing permissions effectively. Avoiding these mistakes ensures maximum efficiency and compliance in 2025.